Good morning and welcome to Rushton Caravans. This is a Lunar Clubman SB. I'm going to show you how the caravan works and operates as a reminder. The Alco stabilised hitch, which is fitted here, means that there's no need for any grease on the tow ball when towing, and it needs to be down to the bare metal, no paint on it, and it doesn't need to have a bulldog style stabiliser. There's friction pads within the hitch head which will fit around the extended neck tow ball, and from there it will then grip and reduce the chance of snaking. You've also got ATC, which is fitted here. Once that goes flashing green or green, you're good to go. If it goes red, we've got a problem, and that is connected via the 13-pin electrics cable, which is just here. We've got a gas cabinet in here which is sealed so no gas can leak inside the cabin. As we come down here, we've got our hot water and heating exhaust. This is the Aldi central heating. Don't need to do anything with it, just allow it to vent. As we come here, we've then got our water inlet, which is just there. You've got your filter and your external shower unit if you want to purchase the additional extra. When putting the fresh water in, fill your aquaroll or your water container full of water, put the submersible part beneath the water line before plugging into the side just there. As we come across, we've got space for the battery and then for the mains. And also just behind there, you can see you can plug into the on-site area. As we come round, your fridge vents are just here. You've got access under the bed just there. You've got your grey water valves just there, and at the rear you've got the toilet. At the top one is the filler for the flush, and the bottom one is the cassette, just there. On the near side you've also got a barbecue point, wet locker and storage, access to the bed just there. When you come into the van, on the near side you've got this control panel. You've got your master switch, top right. You've got your water pump, and as we've just said, make sure your aquaroll is full, or your water container. Submersible part's gone beneath the water line before plugging into the side of the van. You then come in and press this button on, and that will allow, when you open a cold tap or turn the hot water on to heat up, it will allow water to flow through. If you don't do this, no water will come through. You've then got a voltmeter at the top, awning light, and you've then got your entry lights on the left hand side. Below is your Aldi central heating. You turn it on using this one here. Once it's loaded up, press menu, and you can change the temperature on the top one by using this one here. As it's a combi boiler, you can then also adjust the temperature of the water and how quick it gets warmer quicker using this one here. The next one is to use electricity as the power source, and you can either use no electricity, 1, 2, or 3 kilowatts. I'm just going to put it on 1 for the time being, and then you can use gas, and you just go like that. But switch it off and you press off. When you are using the system, you can use it on electric only, you can use it on gas only, or you can use it in a combination between the electric and the gas. You also have settings just here, so you can set it up to go on for timing. So if you want the heating to go on at a specific time, you can set that up as well. Underneath the offside bed, there is a consumer unit which has a number of trip switches, as well as your fuses. So if you have any electrical problems, you're going to check down here first. As we come down, you can then see under this bed there's lots of the central heating boiler is just there, and lots of gubbins around the caravan. The yellow flap that's in the downward position there, that is the water drainage for when you're winterizing or not using the caravan. Just lift it up and all the water will drain out. In terms of your fridge, turn it on using this one here. You then use either the mains, the gas, or the car battery. It's automatic ignition, so you just need to allow it to work. If it starts flashing at you, and beeping, it means there's a problem. So if I, for example, try and ask it to cool down on the car battery right now, it's now beeping at me because the car isn't connected. So I'll switch it back to mains. You can then change the temperature using this one here. This one is a reset. If there is a fault, you can then reset the system. To open, press the 2 buttons, and then you've got your fridge freezer unit just there. Your oven, hob and grill, you need to make sure that lid goes fully up before any gas will flow through. You've got an electric ring and 3 gas ones as well. You've got your grill pan and your oven just below. You've got your fitted microwave just there. And then you've got plenty of storage. When towing the caravan, make sure that you're not traveling with items high up. You want to keep them over the axle, the heaviest items, and then spread them out evenly. In here we've got our multi-directional aerial, which is this item just here. There is the front of the aerial is indicated by this bit here. When you get to your site, you'll find that the aerials are pointed in 1 or 2 different directions. Undo the clamp, twist it round and raise to where you need to go, and then lock it off. You've got a booster box, and you've also then got the Aldi central heating tank, the header tank just there. That's full of what's called antifreeze. We've serviced it, we know we're good to go, but if you ever do need to top it up, you take the grey cap off and undo the nut underneath, but you only top up when it's cold, like you would only top up the oil on a car when it's cold, because the antifreeze expands when it gets warm. As we go back, fixed twin beds, storage underneath, and then you've got your toilet, which is indicating it because of obviously the work that we've been doing. It'll need to be filled up, which is the flush outside. You've then got a grey catch just there. Pull it out once you've used the toilet, use the flush, and close that grey cap back into that position. When that one there lights up, the top left, it means the cassette is full and it's time to empty. You've then got a central heating towel rail just there, vanity unit, and your shower door and shower just there. So that is the 2014 Lunar Clubman. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask.